What's up, guys? Today, well, not quite yet because I gotta show something. So, someone commented on one of my videos. This is testing the active Steam on Hoover Wizard Remote Washer Dryer. So this is part 1 out of 2. I got there's 3 comments here. So it's by someone. This name, okay. Saying sorry, but you're not very clear. I replied, what? Okay, so I replied back saying, what is it that could be more clear about? And he replied again, maybe explain in sequence. Point to the dial that needs to be turned or pressed. That needs to be turned or pressed. Thanks anyway. Well, it's not actually the dial. I can actually show you right. Okay, whatever. So let me show you. So you push a button. This is on the washer dryer. If you have this model or any active Steam, if it just got a separate button, you just click on it and then you'll see it lit up, and then it just relaxes the creases. But in this case, this model, look. So say that you're gonna put it on cottons. To activate the active Steam, you can just go through all these, which you might not want to do. This is a washer dryer, by the way, not a washing machine. It's got tumble dries, yeah. But so for a quicker version, you can click and hold, and then once it does that, it's for an example, this washer dryer, it does like relax the crease. It basically does like a tumble dry cycle. But it won't work on Eco Wash. Cotton's pre-wash. What? Come on. Surely this thing can be here. Wait, it didn't lit up. Let's try again. Yeah, so it works on Cotton's pre-wash. Okay, it might not light up now, but what about this one? Maybe not. Okay. Come on. Oh, there we go. What's your thing thinking? Okay. Synthetic and coloured. Come on. Drain and spin. It's obviously not going to do it. No. It doesn't do it on this, but this one actually does do it. Look, let me show you. It didn't lit up, but it will increase the time. So it's 59, but in this case, it increased the time. You can click it again. It works on some programs, but not this one. That one's extra care. Obviously not going to work on dry cycles. That's just so you know, active Steam. Anyways, let's start this clip. So we've got some music that's going to be playing. It's not the one like Down with Paradise. This particular music I use for the foam washing up liquid, this type, and for bubble bath, the great bubble bath. I'm going to use some different music, which I think is a lot cooler for foam experiments or something, yeah. This is the new music. It's called Upstairs with Cat. And it's also got the same green screen or something, yeah. Green screen! You can do any green screen for the time. So let's do the foam experiments. First, I want to test the drain hose because I feel like the last time I used it, it was like clogged somehow. I'm just gonna test it real quick. Look, it looks like a traffic light. Traffic light. Red, yellow, green. What one we're gonna start with is green. With a fairy liquid experiment. Looks like I'm doing it with a clogged drain. That's the best I can do. I can't do much at the moment, so I'm gonna do something. If I can. Oh, let me start the music once I right, so I should hopefully know how to do this. Oh god. I'm just gonna set it up like that, so let's start it. Let me start the music. Let's try this. Please cook. Yeah. Alright. There we go. I'll just show you guys. Look. A bit of the green. It's called the original. Yeah, let's see. I opened up the door so that I could keep the water in. Right, it's warm enough as to be. Now let's pour it in. Whoa. Oh, yep. Let's restart the music actually. Whoa, yeah, we are. Please cook me, yeah. Whoa, look at this foam. Oh wow. Oh, let's make sure it's all the way up to the door. Oh lord, look at that. Let's do a spin again, actually. Oh my god, look at that. Oh lord, look at that. Oh, good heavens. Oh, that was, now let's take a sniff of it. Smells original. Yeah, I can't, the hose is obviously clogged a bit, so I'm just gonna, oh god, that was not good. Oh. I just don't have time to oh really, oh well. Let's clean it out and do this one. Lemon fizz. Lemon fizz. Just gonna try and squeeze a lemon. Looks rinsed out good enough, ready for me to squeeze the lemon. Oh, let's do the yellow one now. Oh, whatever you want to call it, maybe, yeah, yellow. What's going on, my, ow. It's just a bit slippery, that might mean it. Oh, a bubble. Right, anyways, let's screw it. Oh, look at that. At the end one, it's going to be a beautiful one. It's going to be a rainbow one of each of these and a tiny speck of it. So let's fill it up. You ready for this? Whoa, yeah we are. Legend, please cook me. Yeah, we are. Oh my god. Let's turn it up. Let's turn up the music. Wow, look at this. Look at this foam. Wow, so let's do the same with water. Oh wow. And there we go. Oh lord, look at that. Now we know what to do. That's a sniff. Let's now sniff. Squeezing the lemon. Smells like lemons and something. It's quite yellowy. Let's do it again. Let's rinse out. Wait, let's smell what it smells like right now. Don't know. It's like a washer dryer with clean garments. Okay. Yeah. We've got our new smell. We got our new scent. It is pomegranate, whatever it's called, and grapefruit. Okay. Let's pour it in. it's the red one. Oh, yeah, there we go. Let's just flick. Please took me. Yeah. Right. This time with a flashlight. Oh wow. Oh lord. It's a good video, isn't it? Meanwhile, well, that's going this time. Let's smell it. Oh wow. Smells like berries. Berries! Let me show you how I rinse it out. We are. Whoa! Have fun in there, phone. Oh, let's do this, shall we? And whoa! Oh. Whoa. Let's do a rainbow one this time with all 3 colours. Yes, guys, I put green, yellow and red in there. The rainbow. Don't know if I can pick it up on camera, but I certainly put those in. So therefore, let's do the final one, guys. Peace out, okay? See you next video. Okay, see you later. Bye. Bye. Yeah, we are. So please took me. Yeah, already go. Yeah. This time, just wait until you see the last part of it. You got this, even though it doesn't feel like it. Oh, what? Oh my god. Oh, Lord, you got rainbow foam. Peace out. Okay, see you next video. Okay, see you later. Bye. Oh, and see you on Sunday.